Everything using the space frame, quattro drives, high-performance engines. Car production has always been a cradle of high-tech. And our smart production is becoming increasingly clever. In many digital technologies, Audi is already a leader in the industry. The coronavirus pandemic has accelerated the digitalization of production further still. At the same time, it's the high degree of digitalization in particular that got us through the pandemic in good shape. Thanks to virtual assembly planning and 3D scanning, we were able to master the ramp-up of the Audi e-tron GT in record time. And thanks to training courses with virtual reality, the production team also took decisive steps forward. Digitalization is never an end in itself. We drive it forward in a targeted way, where it will bring us and our customers a tangible benefit. At the same time, Audi benefits the global production network and interconnectedness within the Volkswagen Group. Individual sites develop pilot projects through to series maturity. Then we roll this technology out worldwide. The Neckarsulm site is playing a key role in this at the moment. In the network of the Automotive Initiative 2025, it's a pilot plant and therefore a living laboratory for the digital transformation. We're already making pioneering contributions to digitalization, to vehicle tracking using RFID technology, and to smart maintenance today. This is where the leading plant for digital production and logistics within the group is being created. But pioneering digital solutions are coming from all sites. However, one thing is clear to us. The smartest thing about a smart production facility is its people. That's why we're enhancing and developing their skills strategically. In line with personal capability, we want to make sure every employee is fully prepared for our digital advances. A lot of reinforcement for our IT team comes from our team on the production lines, for example. That makes me particularly proud. Because in the digital transformation in particular, all of our actions must be aimed at ensuring that production offers a future.